Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Crypto enthusiasts, in today's video, I will walk you throughout the step-by-step process of buying the Trump coin on Binance, from creating an account to completing your purchase. So stick around as I show you the process. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first of all, once you open your own Binance account and you create it, to buy any token within this platform, you need first to actually earn some money. So this money can be within any token. Normally we buy it as USDT or USDC, just to simplify the currency and make it clear to us how much money we own. Since if you bought USD as Bitcoin, you will have so many zeros in the number that you will forget in like the initial number that you invested early on. So the way to do so, normally we do either buy crypto from here. So we go and do that, and we go here to buy. We choose the amount that we want to spend and also the currency. So here, for example, I'm gonna choose dollar, or basically I'm gonna write USD. So this is the currency that I'm willing to buy with, and this is the currency that I am willing to receive the money as. For example, if I bought $100 worth of USDT, I'm going to receive 95.90 etc. as USDT. So the difference between USD and USDT is pretty close in terms of numbers. What I meant before, we don't want to use BTC because look how many numbers you will find here and you will forget the initial amount that you bought. So always go with USDT. Now this is the method that you can get money with it inside of Binance. Of course, one of the ways that I'm going to talk about it right now is you can literally just buy the Trump coin directly through here. To do so, simply just search for the Trump coin instead of USDT, and here, as you can see, the official Trump token is right here. Then you simply have to choose now the payment method that you want to pay with. So there is several ones, such as the Visa card, MasterCard, and there's of course the Google Pay, Apple Pay, and it literally changes depending on your country. So it could be even more than this or less than that. So it literally depends on where you are, your account type, and also all the payment methods that are available within your country. After you choose one of these payment methods, simply click on confirm. Once you did that, you will be able to actually progress into the next step, which is simple. As always, as you buy something online, you simply have to put your details. And unless you don't do that, you will not of course buy anything. So once you put your details, you will have and you will receive your Trump token within your account, and you can now trade it as any other token. You will find normally your tokens once you buy them in your portfolio, which is going to be by clicking on your profile right here, and it's going to be in this area in this place. Normally you can go and find it in the assets and go to overview, and you will find the estimated balance that you have, which is going to be either in Bitcoin or USDC. Normally you can keep it as USDT, so the number is much clear for you, so it can be more visible and you can understand how much money you own. Bitcoin, it's really hard to determine unless of course you know exactly the math and basically how worth is Bitcoin at that moment exactly. Now, as you can see, those are my assets. So in my assets area, you will find the token, which is Trump, as long as you bought it. Now this is one of the ways. The second way is basically the one that I have mentioned before. Here, if we went to the if we bought the crypto and we bought the USDT, in this moment here we have USDT and we don't have Trump. So what we need to do is to go again to my assets, go overview, and here what you're gonna do is to actually choose to transfer. A transfer is basically simple. You're simply gonna do is choose from fiat spot or front end here. I'm just gonna keep it as that, and then simply choose the token that you have. For example, we have USDT. and this is the amount that you're gonna send it to funding. So in funding you will be able to trade the token with, but we're not going to get to this yet. We're going to talk about something right now else before we go to the trading position. So now I have told you a way to do so. Now before we get to the trading position, go to the spot, and basically you can speed the process by converting USDT directly. So go in here to USDT and go right here to convert. By clicking on it, you will be able to put the amount of USDT that you want to convert, and basically choose here that you want to choose the Trump token. It's basically as simple as that. So this is the method number 2. Now let's continue with the method of trading. The method of trading required you that you own USDT in the funding, and then basically go right here and go to spot. So once you get to this area, you will be able to have USDC/USDT and have many tokens going on here. So let's ignore everything in here and simply search for the Trump token. So once you find it, here it is, Trump USDT. Here you can simply just I accept, I agree, I am aware, yes I am aware, and accept everything. And just like that, here it is the token. It has been released on this platform, which is Binance, and it reached very high numbers at the moment. Nevertheless, here you can put the amount that you want to buy. So you can here choose how many USDT you want to spend on Trump token. So for example, here I'm gonna put I want to buy $100 worth of Trump, and this is the amount that you're gonna get. So you can choose here to buy it, and basically you will receive this amount of Trump, which is 1.455 Trump token, which is worth 100 USDT. On the other hand, you can sell it as well. So this is a vice versa position. So you can either sell it or buy it. So it's completely up to you to trade it in here. And basically this is very good for traders so they can look at the graph, check positions, and basically have all the data in front of them so they can know their decision making and make the decision making process get even better with all the tools in front of them by checking the order book, the volume, and the prices, and the everything about the trading data and trading analysis about this token. So yeah, these are the main 3 ways that you can with them buy the Trump token within Binance. Of course, there is other ways that are possible in this area, which is the dashboard, which is by depositing the token, but this is not really buying the token, so we're not going to talk about it in this video. But if you do want us to talk about this thing in the upcoming days, make sure to leave the comment down below in the comment section. We will make sure to cover that topic in as soon as possible. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.